In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in Capcut. So what you'll need to do first is simply, let me just go here and record my screen for a second. As an example, I'm going to choose this, click on start recording, and I'll just record my screen for just 10 seconds. So we can speed this up after. For example, let me just move my mouse a little bit. Let me just go and quit this. I don't know, go back to it as an example. And yeah, it's 10 seconds. Let me just go now and close it. Yeah, I can just go and click on edits on it. So now it is added on the timeline. For you, of course, you can import any other video and you'll be able to game it or drag it in here, example. So you can always drag those videos in here. But just say, of course, those are together. Now, I want to speed them up. So once you click on a specific video on the timeline, you can also select all of the timeline. Of course, if you have multiple things, you cannot just go and select them all. You can just go and click on one of them and click on Control A. It will select everything on the timeline. So make sure you have just the videos. Now you can go to the top right corner. You'll find the speed option. Once you click on the speed, as you can see here, you'll be able to increase the speed however you want. For example, I'll increase the speed to 100%, and the both, of course, like added is 13 seconds. So three of those videos is nearly half a minute. So if I go and do 100%, and let me just go and show you. So now the video is lower than 1 second. And as you can see, so to make it so you can see it's a little bit better, I'm just going to do X like 20. And as you can see, now we have 2 seconds. So we just go and do X 10 is enough. So for example, this is a video speeded up 10 times. I'm just going to play it. So here we are, we close, we open it because the video repeating itself. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.